Welcome to a travel prep and packing video. We're going to Disney World in 2 days. There will be continuous laundry until we leave.
What's the first thing you're gonna do in Florida?
My makeup, I'll give you a peek. I switched over to my Kate Spade Alice in Wonderland. So it is time to pack all the things, prep the house, just get ready for travel. Hi guys. Are we in focus? Probably not. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a travel prep and packing video. We're going to Disney World in 2 days. Well, less than that. It's currently Saturday afternoon. We fly out Monday morning. So it is time to pack all the things, prep the house, just get ready for travel. I thought I'd bring you along with me. My pooch is here taking a nap. Before we can do anything else, we gotta do laundry. There will be continuous laundry until we leave. Next day now, and I am, as you've seen, I've been working on Mila's clothes. I've laid out some outfits. This is PJ's. And so, like, I have outfits, but the thing with toddlers is, especially my toddler, I feel like I change him like 2 to 3 times a day just because he's a hot damn mess. So I just have a bunch of extra clothes. And also I'm being prepared because some days it says 80 degrees, some days it says 50 degrees, and it like changes every day. So I just want to have as many options as possible. So I have extra shirts, shorts, and then I'm gonna bring pants. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to pack the outfits together and then do another packing cube of like extra clothes. I just can't decide. Or if I should do a packing cube of tops and then a packing cube of bottoms. I just don't know. So yeah, and I'm watching the Kardashians as I do it all. I've got a nail appointment in an hour-ish, thank goodness, because I peeled off on my nail polish last night, but I'm gonna see what I can get done before then. Okay, switching into voiceover mode here for a second, just because I never gave you an update, but I did decide to do separate bins for pants and tops, just because my packing cubes that I have 2 big ones and then 2 small ones, so it just made sense to do all pants and shorts and then all tops. And it actually, once we got there, was totally easy to figure it out and easy to see what we had, and I remembered the outfits I put together. So that's what I did. And then in the smaller packing cubes, I did pajamas, and then the other one I did socks and shoes. And then also in the pants one, I did his swim diaper and his swim trunks. So it worked out okay. And then also in this was his carry-on suitcase, was his toiletries and his, I almost said time machine, his sleep sound machine. I also then realized we needed a lot of sweaters, so I packed as many of the lighter ones in the top packing cube as I could, and then laid the rest on top. And we actually did use most of these clothes, all these sweaters. And Bradley did some yard work for us. These clips make me so happy because Ludo's little head and nose is in the little top of them. But I was most worried about our citrus trees while we're gone. They are starting to bloom and get fruit on them, and so I just didn't want them to dry out, so Bradley really drowned them. We actually ended up having lots of rain while we were gone, which I'm bummed to have missed, but the citrus trees were happy with that. Oh, it's not a video on my channel if there's not a slow zoom of the dog, so here you go. There he is. So sad we're leaving, but he had a great time at his aunt and uncle's house. Hello. Oh.
What's the first thing you're gonna do in Florida?
Which park are we going to first?
Epcot.
We're gonna meet Figment. All right, now we're packing for me. I've laid out, oh, got my nails done. I went with some black and white polka dots like I did for our last Disney World trip. And now I've started to pack for myself, and Ludo's like, what the heck is going on? But I've just laid out some outfits, but I'm just bringing like a bunch of comfy stuff that I know I wear to Disneyland all the time. Some sweaters, and yeah. Hi, we're outside now. My sister just arrived to help me out with Milo while I finish up all the things I need to finish up because Bradley had to go to work for a few hours. But it's a lovely day. I don't really want to go back into packing, but I must. But something that's killing me is that these are gonna open while we're gone, and I'm just a little devastated. I hope they like don't open and die before we get back. We're not gone that long, so hopefully not, but like just kills me a little bit. Future Amy here, and I just wanted to say that I came home to all of these still happily in bloom, and they are so beautiful. Also, this opened up, as did this, as did this. Everybody loves Anticaca, but I did want to pick these tomatoes because we are going to get some rain while we're gone, and they'll blast till we get back, I think, in the fridge. Which, by the way, when we get back, it is gardening time. Time for seedlings, time for just getting everything in the ground. There's my little harvest. Most of these tomato plants are like dead and disgusting, yet still producing, if you can see that. So I'll yank them out of the ground or trim them up or something, but for now they're like still producing, so I didn't want to mess with them. So I'll put these in the fridge till we get back. Okay, the sun is really in my way right now, but so many clothes there. Over here I got my makeup. I'll give you a peek. This thing is so dirty, so sorry, but it's mostly just like my tried and true, but I did put a few, let me really spread this out here, a few new things from my beauty haul, which I can link that up in the corner, but just like my Misha BB Cream Merit Complexion Stick, Flower Beauty Concealer, cream bronzers, my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, Charlotte Tilbury highlight, my Say blushes, my water tint, all my favorite eyebrow and mascara stuff, and just, you know, all the usual things. Then in here I got some face wash, my brush, a scrunchie, tweezers, nail clippers, which actually, I'm gonna put those in my brushes thing. Makeup wipes, my lotion, hair stuff, a razor, night cream, bringing a whole bar of Dove soap because that's what my body prefers, and it's easy-ish to travel with. Just slap it on in there. Hair stuff, dry shampoo, leave-in conditioner, shampoo, conditioner, my Trader Joe's oil. I have sunscreen in there somewhere as well. So yeah, my toiletries. A tip for toiletries is I like to pack it like even just a day beforehand, so I'm getting ready in the morning and at night out of the bag, so that if I've forgotten anything, like it comes to my attention pretty quickly. I now have the task of somehow fitting all the ears in, so wish me luck. All right, now I'm working on my carry-on, and I've had this wallet. This was actually part of my push present, but I like, you know when you love something so much you don't want to use it because you don't want to tarnish it, but I'm over that. So I switched over to my Kate Spade Alice in Wonderland wallet. It is so cute. My sister actually gave me a push present as well, and she got me a piece of the collection. This is so cute. This has kind of like my in-flight essentials. Oil roll-ons, medicine bag. I put in this new nude sticks stuff. Probably some moisturizer for my face. Just like stuff I'd want to grab quickly. Maybe some Aquaphor lip stuff. But yeah, how cute is that? I also have another little pouch that I'm gonna take. It's in the car, so I will go get that as well. I'm the worst packing vlogger in the whole world. I just get caught up in it, you know? But it is much later. Milo's been in bed for a couple hours. We've been picking up. I finished some work, so there will be 2 videos going up while I'm gone, so that feels good. But here's the suitcase. I just have to use like my skincare and put my toothbrush in it and stuff in the morning. My carry-on. Gotta put a few more things in there. Here's that Alice pouch I was talking about. Isn't it so cute? And look how, if you can see, Her dress is glittery. Love it. I'm gonna try to fit this blanket in there because I couldn't fit it in Milo's bag, but if he takes a nap, he would love a blanket. I've reached the point where I'm just like beyond done and tired and ready to go to bed. I just gotta like do 20 more minutes, shower, and then go to bed. Wish me luck. And that is it. Spoiler alert, but everything did get packed. I don't think we forgot anything, so that's good. I do apologize that this wasn't like a full pack with me video. I get really anxious before traveling, and there's just so much to pack now with a toddler, and I didn't allow enough time for filming and packing, but I still thought it had some good footage, so I wanted to upload it anyway. So I hope you enjoyed it. We did vlog our trip, so that will be up next, and I'll see you soon.